ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the Lynx FBO with information Juliet, IFR.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Destin ground, good afternoon. You're clear to the Peachtree DeKalb Airport as files. Maintain 1,600, 7,010 minutes after departure. Hageland departure frequency 132.1, squawk 0764.
Clear direct to PDK 1600 and expect 7,010 minutes. 132.1 is the frequency, 0764, squawk.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, reback is correct.
Destin ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, ready to taxi.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, runway 14 taxi Alpha, you'll follow citation coming out of the ramps, moving now.
I will follow the citation 6 Romeo Delta. Destin Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, holding short runway 14.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Destin Tower, hold short runway 14, waiting out for release.
Roger, 6 Romeo.
Tower, make a 1 north ramp, Juliet, continue south departure left turn out, going 10 miles.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, caution wake turbulence for the citation. The departed turn left heading 090, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
Left heading 090 after takeoff, runway 14, clear for takeoff, 6 Romeo Delta.
Track 70378, I'm sorry, what type landing did you want?
4, clear for the option 378.
Citation 5410, contact departure, good day, sir.
Going to departure, thanks a lot today, 41 Sierra.
Mecca 1, Destin Tower, Grumman's departure roll, traffic behind him about a mile and a half straight in, final is the Cessna, taxiway off a clear for takeoff, cross the runway, depart behind the Grumman.
Behind the Grumman, taxiway off clear for takeoff, cross the runway for Mecca 1. Destin Tower, Beach 1's landing assured.
Beach 1, roger. Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, contact departure, good day, sir.
Contact departure, good day, 6 Romeo, thank you, appreciate your help. Departure Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 1600.
Just 1 2. Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, going to departure, ident, climb, maintain 5,000.
Ident and maintain 5,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, I got your ident now, your radar contact. Turn left heading 030.
Left 3030 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Cap 844, go ahead.
Yes sir, we got this smoke up here and we're going to do a burn, we're doing a box pattern around it to check through how the smoke might be affecting any of the roads or people down south of the fence.
Cap 844, copy that.
Hageland Cheyenne 2552, Yankee 3000, climbing 7000.
Number 52 Yankee, fighting 250.
250, 52.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, your clear direct destination. You can expect higher once you're north of the ranges.
6 Romeo Delta, clear direct to destination.
Need 2615 Whiskey, I'm going to approach the crest altimeter is 3005. Sandstorm 01, roger. The Egan altimeter is 3002, South quarter flight approved via Field 2 White Point. Pledge 1989, climb maintain 1010,000.
10,000, late 1989.
Legion 1989, turn right heading 360, contact Jack Center on 120.2. Alright, 360, 2020, so long, elevation 1989.
Number 96, Papa Romeo, I can approach. Roger, Kilo is current. You can expect a visual approach, Romeo 14. Number 7, Romeo Delta, climb maintain 7,000. And correction, 6 Romeo Delta, climb maintain 7,000.
7,000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, contact Cairns approach 133.45.
133.45, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Cairns approach, good afternoon, the Cairns altimeter is 3007.
3007, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, have a minute throughout advise when you're ready.
6 Romeo Delta, ready to come.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta is now cleared to the Cab P3 Airport via direct Booker T, Bravo, Oscar, Kilo, Romeo Tango. To join the Booker T3 arrival, maintain 7,000.
6 Romeo Delta, Roger, descend and maintain 5,000.
Maintain 5,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Centurion 99 Papa, targets appear likely to merge. Advise you climb back up, maybe 3,500 just for a couple minutes to avoid it.
99 Pop, we'll do that.
Roger that, 15 degrees left for 2 Lima Tango.
Tower, information 20530, wind 050 at 4. Facility 10, 2,600, scatter.
Then approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we have information here back for KPDK.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Roger. Gamma Jet 836, descend and maintain 3,000 and turn right heading 050. November 66 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 070.
Turn right 070, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 090.
Right 090, 6 Romeo Delta.
Aaron 72 Charlie, turn left heading 250.
250, 72 Charlie.
Approach Gamma Jet 836, we have the airport in sight.
Gamma Jet 836, cleared visual approach, runway 9, contact McCollum Tower, nice to November 66 Romeo Delta, contact approach 126.907.
26.9 for 6 Romeo, thanks for your help. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 5,000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, land out approach, visual approach for runway 3 right.
Visual 23 right, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, turn 10 degrees right.
Turn 10 right for 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain tree down.
Descend maintain 3,000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, keep your speed up for as long as practical. There's traffic to follow you.
Roger, 6 Romeo Delta. Javier, please be quiet. Napa is doing the approach, okay? We're going to land soon.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, turn 20 degrees to the right.
20 right for 6 Romeo Delta.
That was 6 Romeo Delta, correct? 20 right?
20 degrees right to 6 Romeo Delta.
Roger. 66 Romeo Delta, the field's 11 o'clock, in about 6 miles.
6 Romeo Delta looking.
6 Romeo Delta, the field now, 11 o'clock, 5 miles.
6 Romeo Delta, we have field inside.
6 Romeo Delta, cleared, visual approach. Runway 3 right at Peachtree. Contact Peachtree Tower 120.9 today.
Contact Tower 120. Thank you, have a good day. Peachtree Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, visual 3 right.
66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, winds at 1003, runway 3 right, clear to land.
Runway 3 right, clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta. We can take 3 left to if available, 6 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, 3 left is available. Change to runway 3 left, clear to land.
Runway 3 left, clear to land for 6 Romeo Delta.
Runway 6 Romeo Delta, traffic midfield right downwind for the parallel runways of Cirrus, 1,800 indicated.
6 Romeo Delta, looking for traffic.
06 Bravo Alpha, traffic on a 3 mile right, or correction, a 3 mile left base road parallel to Grumman, 2,200 indicated.
Okay, keep an eye open for the Grumman, 6 Bravo Alpha.
06 Bravo Alpha, turn left at Delta, or if you can make Bravo, you can do that. Hold short, runway 3 left, this frequency.
Okay, left at Bravo, holding short, 3 left, and be on this frequency, 6 Bravo Alpha.
Cross 11, Peachtree Tower, you up?
Cross 11, visual 3 rate.
Cross 11, Peachtree Tower, wind 0709, runway 3 right, clear to land.
3 right, clear to land, cross 11. That tower will be going over to the Atlantic side, west hangars tonight.
Roger, thank you.
Can you see the rainbow now?
Ground 6 runway Delta, and turn left at Bravo, ground point 6.
Left at Bravo, contact ground 6 Romeo.
66 Romeo Delta, stay park.
6 Romeo Delta going to the north ramp.
6 Romeo Delta, take the Alpha Delta cross 1.
Alpha Delta cross 6 Romeo.